Nepal is a country that is rich in natural wonders, amalgamated brilliantly with cultural and traditional aspects of ethnic people. Nepal is a landlocked central Himalayan country in South Asia, with a diverse geography that includes fertile plains in the south, subalpine forested hills, and 8 of the world's 10 tallest mountains, including Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Nepal houses some of the most beautiful landscapes on the planet. Nepal is a multi-ethnic, divided into 3 physiographic areas of mountain, hill and terai. Nepal's ecological belts run east-west and are vertically intersected by the country's major north to south flowing river systems. The mountain region Himalaya is situated in the Great Himalayan Range. It makes up the northern part of Nepal that comprises the highest peaks like Mount Everest on the border with China. 7 other of the world's 8,000ers are in Nepal. Trekking in Nepal is a popular activity among travelers. Besides trekking, Nepal also offers many other adventures, cultural and historical sites, and traditional diversities.
Mount Everest. Known as Sagarmatha Nepali, Mount Everest is the highest mountain on earth. The Sherpa people also call it the Chomolungma. With its 8,485 meters peak, Mount Everest lies on the Mahalangur Himalayan range in the Khumbu region of Nepal. Everest Massif includes neighboring peaks of Lhotse, Napse and Changse. First ascended by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa in 1953, Mount Everest is a famous trekking destination. The popular Everest Base Camp trek is done by thousands of trekkers every year. Khumbu's various locations and settlements further enhance the appeal of Mount Everest. One of the most famous vantage points to view the Everest Massif would be Kalapathar.
Tilichol Lake. Located at Manang, 55 km away from Pokhara, the Tilicho Lake is the highest glacial lake situated at 4,999 meters in the Annapurna Himalayan ranges. With its sapphire waters and tranquil environment, Tilicho Lake is a famous destination for the Annapurna circuit trek. The peaks of Tilicho, Nilgiri and Khangsar can also be seen from the vicinity of the lake. Tilicho Lake is also the site of one of the highest ever altitude scuba dives. Annapurna Range. The Annapurna Massif is a 55 kilometers long mountain range bounded by the Kaligandaki Gorge on the west, the Marshangdi River on the north and east and Pokhara Valley on the south. The massif encloses a high basin called the Annapurna Sanctuary at the western end. Annapurna Aimain is the 10th highest mountain at 8,990 meters. The entire massif and surrounding areas are protected within the Annapurna Conservation Area, Nepal's first and largest conservation area. Annapurna is a Sanskrit name that means full of food, but is generally translated as the goddess of the harvest. The Annapurna Conservation Area is a well-known trekking region, with many trekkers doing the Annapurna Base Camp trek every year. Phewaa Lake. The second largest lake of Nepal, located in the south of Pokhara Valley, Phewaa Lake is a semi-natural freshwater lake. At 764 meters, the lake lies below the Annapurna range to the north. Famous for the reflection of Mount Machapukre, and other mountain peaks of the Annapurna and Dhaulagiri ranges on its cerulean surface. Phua Lake also has the Talbarhi temple is situated on an island at its center. Bidam, also known as the lakeside, is the eastern bank of Phua Lake, containing a seemingly endless strip of hotels, lodges, restaurants, bookshops and souvenir shops. This site is one of the best known tourist places in Nepal. A day tour in Pokhara would be a mesmerizing experience. Dhaulagiri Himal. Extending 18-20 km from the Gandaki river west to the Bhiri river, Mount Dhaulagiri is Nepal's most beautiful mountain massif. Dhaulagiri is also the 7th highest mountain, standing at 8 meters. The name of Mount Dhaulagiri comes from the Sanskrit word Jhavala, which means dazzling, white, beautiful, and Giri, which means mountain. Dhaulagiri is also the highest point of the Gandaki river basin. Dhaulagiri's sudden rise from lower terrain is almost unequaled as it rises 7,000 meters from Kali Gandaki river and 30 kilometers to the southeast. Gozai Kunda, Lake of Nepal. An alpine freshwater oligotrophic lake in Nepal's Langtang National Park, located at an altitude of 4,300 meters, Gozai Kunda Lake is a sacred site of the Hindu people. Hindu mythology attributes Gozai Kunda as the abode of the Hindu deities Shiva and Gauri. Its waters are considered holy and of particular significance during the Ganga Dashahara and the Janai Purnima festivals, when thousands of pilgrims from Nepal and India visit the area. The myth of the Gozai Kunda lake says that it was created when Lord Shiva struck a mountainside with his trident to drink from the flowing mountain water to quench his thirst after swallowing a poison threatening to destroy the world. Machapuchhre Himal. Machapuchhre is a majestic peak of north-central Nepal, revered by the local population as sacred to the god Shiva. Situated at the end of a long spur ridge coming south out of the Annapurna Himalayas main backbone that forms the Annapurna Sanctuary's eastern boundary. Mount Machapuchhre lies about 25 km north of Pokhara. Due to its southern position in the range and the shallow terrain in the south of Annapurna Himalayas, the peak commands tremendous vertical relief in a short horizontal distance. Machapuchhre, combined with its steep pointed profile, makes it an exceptionally striking peak despite a lower elevation than some of its neighbors. Its double summit resembles the tail of a fish, hence the name translates to fish tail. It is also nicknamed the Matterhorn of Nepal. This sacred mountain is closed off for climbers. Langtang Valley. Also known as the Valley of the Glaciers, Langtang lies north of the Kathmandu Valley and borders Tibet. With most of the residents being Tamang, Langtang is a beautiful valley considered a haven for Tibetan Buddhist people. The Langtang National Park covers the majority of the valley's area. Langtang has one of the most diverse and beautiful flora and fauna counts in the country, with 14 vegetation and 18 ecosystem types that ranges from upper tropical forests below 1,000 meters altitude to alpine scrub and perennial ice, representing Indo-Malayan and Palearctic ecozones. Rara Lake. The biggest and deepest freshwater lake in the Nepal Himalayas, Rara Lake is the main feature of the Rara National Park. The lake at 2090 meters in Jumla and Mugu districts has unique floral and faunal importance with many rare and vulnerable species within its prominence. The glimpses of culture and scenery on the way are pretty different from the rest of Nepal, making Rara Lake a popular destination with a very rough route in western Nepal for trekkers. Rara Lake has also been described as a shimmering blue jewel set in a ring of snowy peaks. Manaslu Mountain. The 8th highest mountain in the world at 8,660 meters, Mount Manaslu is located in the Mansari Himal, part of the Nepalese Himalayas in the west-central part of Nepal. Manaslu means mountain of the spirit, and its name comes from the Sanskrit word manasa, which means intellect or soul. Thus, Manaslu is also called the mountain of spirits. Manaslu is the highest peak in the Gorkha district, 64 kilometers away east from Annapurna. The mountain's long ridges and valley glaciers offer feasible approaches from all directions, and the ridges culminate in a peak that towers steeply above its surrounding landscape. This feature of the mountain presents a stunning look from afar. That's all for today. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.